In a world filled with processed foods, pollution, and relentless schedules, it's no wonder our bodies sometimes feel overworked and run down. Have you been feeling constantly tired, bloated, or struggling with a lack of focus? These symptoms often indicate that your body needs a reset. A detox isn't about starvation or expensive cleanses. It's about supporting your body's natural ability to eliminate toxins. In this 7-day detox plan, we'll break down practical, proven tips to help you feel refreshed, energized, and ready to take on life. Let's get started. Day 1. The hydration reset. Your detox journey begins with the simplest yet most powerful step: hydration. Water is essential for flushing toxins from your system, supporting kidney function, and keeping your skin radiant. Start your day with a tall glass of warm water mixed with the juice of half a lemon. This simple morning ritual aids digestion, alkalizes your body, and gives your liver a gentle push to start its detoxification process. Throughout the day, aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water. To make hydration more interesting, infuse your water with fresh cucumber slices, mint leaves, or a few berries. Herbal teas like dandelion or green tea can also provide detoxifying benefits while keeping you hydrated. Avoid sugary drinks and caffeine, as they can hinder your detox progress. Day 2. Clean eating for a clean body. On day 2, it's time to clean up your diet. Start by eliminating processed foods, refined sugars, and trans fats. These foods often overload your liver and digestive system, making it harder for your body to function optimally. Instead, focus on whole, nutrient-rich foods that provide your body with the fuel it needs to detox effectively. Fill your plate with fresh fruits and vegetables, especially leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts are also fantastic because they support your liver's natural detoxification processes. Incorporate whole grains like quinoa and brown rice for sustained energy and fiber to keep your digestion on track. For protein, opt for lean sources like grilled chicken, eggs, or plant-based options like lentils and chickpeas. Remember to eat mindfully. Chew your food slowly and savor every bite. This helps improve digestion and allows your body to absorb nutrients more efficiently. Day 3. Green juices and smoothies. By day 3, your body is ready for a boost of concentrated nutrients. This is where green juices and smoothies come in. These drinks are easy to digest and packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that aid in detoxification. For a refreshing green juice, blend together spinach, cucumber, celery, green apple, and a squeeze of lemon. Add a small piece of ginger for an extra kick and anti-inflammatory benefits. If you prefer something more filling, opt for a green smoothie. Combine kale, banana, avocado, and unsweetened almond milk for a creamy, nutrient-rich option. The key is to include plenty of greens, as they are alkaline and help neutralize toxins in your body. Enjoy these drinks as a mid-morning snack or afternoon pick-me-up. Day 4. Move your body to move toxins. Detoxing isn't just about what you consume, it's also about getting your body moving. Exercise increases circulation, promotes sweating, and helps your lymphatic system flush out toxins. You don't need an intense workout. Gentle movements are just as effective during a detox. Start your day with a light yoga session or a brisk 20-minute walk. Focus on exercises that get your heart pumping and encourage sweating, as sweat is one of the body's natural ways of eliminating toxins. Deep breathing exercises are also helpful as they improve oxygen flow and reduce stress, which can otherwise hinder your detox efforts. If you have access to a sauna, consider spending 10 to 15 minutes there to enhance sweating and relaxation. Remember to hydrate well afterward to replace lost fluids. Day 5. Prioritize sleep for maximum recovery. As your detox progresses, it's crucial to give your body enough time to repair and regenerate. And this happens most effectively during sleep. On day 5, focus on creating a bedtime routine that promotes quality rest. Start by limiting screen time an hour before bed. The blue light from phones and computers can disrupt your natural sleep cycle. Instead, wind down with a book, meditation, or calming music. You can also sip on herbal teas like chamomile or lavender to relax your mind and body. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep. This is when your brain clears out toxins and your body repairs cells, making it a vital part of your detox journey. A dark, cool, and quiet sleeping environment can further enhance the quality of your rest. Day 6. Support your gut health. Your gut plays a central role in detoxification. By day 6, it's time to give your gut the attention it deserves. Start by incorporating fermented foods into your diet. Options like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut are rich in probiotics, which help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Fiber is equally important. Foods like chia seeds, flax seeds, and oats help move waste through your digestive system efficiently. Make sure your meals are rich in prebiotic foods as well, such as garlic, onions, and bananas, which nourish the good bacteria in your gut. You can also consider taking a high-quality probiotic supplement to further support your digestive health. A well-functioning gut ensures that toxins are efficiently processed and eliminated. Day 7. Reflect, recharge, and plan for the future. Congratulations! You've reached the final day of your 7-day detox journey. Take a moment to reflect on how your body feels. Are you experiencing increased energy, clearer skin, or improved focus? On this last day, maintain your clean eating habits and include healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and seeds for long-lasting energy. A balanced meal of grilled salmon, quinoa, and roasted vegetables is a great way to finish your detox on a high note. This is also the perfect time to plan how you'll carry these healthy habits into your everyday life. Small, consistent changes, like staying hydrated, eating whole foods, and prioritizing sleep, can have a lasting impact on your overall health. Detoxing your body doesn't have to be complicated or extreme. By following this simple 7-day plan, you've given your body the tools it needs to reset, recharge, and thrive. Remember, detoxing isn't about perfection. It's about progress. With these tips, you're well on your way to feeling your best, not just for a week, but for the long term. Take the first step today. Your body will thank you.